2x plus 3y is equals to 10. The question says, express y in a term of x. Number 2, find the value of y if x is equals to 5. Solution: 2x plus 3y is equals to 10. Then substitute x from both sides. 2x plus 2x plus 3y is equal to 10x minus 2x. Therefore, 2 minus 2x plus 2x is equal to 0. Therefore, 3y down here is equal to 10 minus 2x. Then divide both sides by the coefficient of unknown. 3y is equal to 10 minus 2x all over 3. Therefore, 3 cancel 3. Therefore, y is equal to 10 minus 2x all over 3. To find the value of y if x is equal to 5, therefore y is equal to 10 minus 2 times 5 instead of our x all over 3. Therefore 10 minus 2 times 5 is equals to 10. 2 times 5 is equals to 10. Therefore 10 is equals to 10 minus 10 divided by 3. Therefore our y is equals to 0 divided by 3. Therefore y is equals to 0.